Alrighty, we've been hearing a lot of amazing feedback from our marketing kit, and we've had this for forever, but the software is pushing it out a little bit more, so you'll see it whenever you click on the download photos link. And now I want to give you a full overview because it is such an amazing resource that you have for marketing this listing, your listing, and to present in your listing presentations. This is how I present your listing to the public, not only on the MLS, but we create a single property website just for your home, and it has already made amazing reels, videos, photos, posts for you to post on social media, and so that you don't have an excuse like, I don't know how to work Canva, or I don't know how to make graphics. They're already done for you. So let's dive in deep into the program, into the marketing kit, and let me show you all the amazing goodies that come included with the website and marketing kit. Alrighty, so whenever you open up your email, you should receive all of the links. You scroll down and you will see here website links, branded property site, unbranded property site. That means you can include this link into the MLS if you want to, and all of the other links that you have. Like, for example, for this listing, they had a video, they had a Matterport, so those links are included in here. Here we have the total marketing kit, which we will access in a little bit. We have the download the photos link and the property owner preview. This link, you can share it with your clients and they can preview the photos, and if there is anything that needs to be changed, we can change it ASAP upon request. So let's come over here to the total marketing kit. And you can also access this directly from our website. So if you go to Realist Drone Services, you can click on book a shoot and you log in through there, or you go into the login button. And whenever you log into your account, I will also show you how to access it that way. But here you can see that it says your marketing kit is ready. The first three options are add property info, upload your profile photo and logo, update profile data. So let's start off here. So here we're going to include the price. Let's say it is $849, $999. I don't know, however you want to price it, that's what you add. You add the bathroom, the square footage, and remember, this is just so that everybody can have a good idea of what this is like. If you're presenting it on the MLS, you want as much information on here, because whenever they click on this website, they should get a good overview of what this property is all about. So here you upload your photo, your company logo, because that is going to appear there. And then for your profile data, you'll add your email address, you can add your website, your social media pages, your address, all of that fun stuff, so that it can all be tracked. Even your Facebook Pixel ID, you can see here that we have it all tracking. So let's go back. You save the updates and then you go back to your marketing kit. So here, once we have all of those things updated, the next thing is, here is what is in your marketing kit. You have a variety of videos that you can download and they are ready to post. You can see that it has the address, the price, the photos, and your brand information. It's already on there, okay? If you want to edit any of this to your colors, you can go to your, I love this one. This one is really cool. You can go to your profile data or directly onto this. You click edit and then you just change up anything. If you have a certain color that you like, then you change that. If you don't want this photo to appear, you can change it with just a simple click and it'll save on there, okay? So let's check out the other videos. You click on that arrow and there are a variety of options. You don't have to go create something new. It is already done for you. So these are for sale, just listed. This one says sold. So you see there's a variety of things, of videos that are already made for you. This one was for Christmas. Let me see this one. This one's really cute. This one says the address. It has a photo. It says going, gone. I love it. So whenever it's sold, you can upload this. And of course, whenever you upload it onto Instagram, you can change up the speed of it. So that one was a little slow, but you can change up the speed, and I will show you in a bit how to do the whole download process. So here, these are posts that can be posted on your stories. You have a variety of these, or also it could be on your reel. Now, these are landscape posts, and it tells you it works with Facebook, Instagram, and more. Okay, if you want to change the photo of any of these, you can just change out that photo, and that's it. Okay, save updates. You can change the font, you can change what it has. Here is a good post for an open house. And there is a variety of landscape posts, square posts. These work well with Instagram, Facebook. This is one for Pinterest. So we want to be posting all over the place. This is a good one for Pinterest. Cool thing here, you can add these videos to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. These are photo slideshows that are done. This is a wider angle for YouTube, and it is branded and unbranded. So you download them, upload them to YouTube or to wherever you want to put it. If you want to put it on the MLS as well, you can upload the unbranded one. Download it and then upload it on there. Now for the property website. This is the thing that I absolutely love. Okay, so we have a branded website. Right here you can see it's branded. We have it unbranded. We can edit the details. We can edit the design. And then I'm just going to show you a quick preview right here. There are different themes. So you see this one is the default one. Then we have a more modern. We have just different types of themes that you could use. It doesn't have to be the default one. So let's go check it out. Whenever you click on it, up here at the top, you will be able to see all the different things that they got for this listing. So for example, for this listing, they got 3D tours, photos, of course, and a floor plan. And a video is over here. So the video, you can see its top thing, the first thing that you see. And then they have the Matterport right there. You can also change the location of this. If you want this to be at the bottom, you can do that as well. Here are some details on the house, the details that we entered. Here is the photo gallery. You can put show more. If you only want certain photos to be shown, that is an easy fix whenever we go back. If you got a floor plan, which you will be receiving a floor plan with all of your photos, then whenever you add it to the marketing kit, you can make it interactive. So in this case, you click, okay, that was, oh man, I closed out of the whole thing. Let me go back to the floor plan quickly. You see, oh, this is the kitchen. Let me click on it. That's what the kitchen looks like. Okay, let me see what the foyer looks like. Oh, beautiful. So it's an interactive thing that you can do here on this property website. You can share it using any of the links. And then here is your contact information again, so that they call you. It's just one click away. They don't have to put their contact information in a box. No, your information is there for them. So I hope you love the property website. Let's see what else the marketing kit includes. It includes print-ready flyers. So these are available in PDF and other digital versions, so you can easily change it around, edit. you don't want this photo, I want a different photo of the kitchen, I want a photo of the bathroom. You can change it up and get this printed and sent, and you can make it include your information. This QR code will link to the website. A very cool thing about the marketing kit is that you get a weekly traffic report. You can schedule and send out a traffic report so that your clients are aware, hey, this many people are looking at the property website. This many people have been interested in it. It's already made for you. Okay, so right here you can see traffic for the week. Monday this many, Tuesday 0, Wednesday 55. Traffic history, so you see what days. Most viewed media, what are they most looking at? Traffic by city, so you can see here where they are located. Cinco Ranch, Round Rock, Humble, Dublin, Houston, Texas, New Jersey, Washington is that. You can see 50% are coming from the Realist Drone Services. 30% are coming from the YouTube Linktree, which that's probably a link on Instagram, are coming from there, and from the MLS less than 1%. So you can see where the people are coming from. New visitors, returning visitors, total visitors in the last 2 weeks. I love how comprehensive. You can print it out and you can save it as a PDF and send it over to them, or you can print it out and give them that report. So it's a really, really cool additional marketing piece that you can inform your clients with every single week. So let me go back to let's see, in your profile data is where you can change up if you want a default design and flyer. So whenever you go to your account, you can see all of your listings that you have. You can view the site, you can edit the property, you can edit the marketing kit, download the photos directly. So let's see, whenever we go to edit the property, we can go to site data, include more information on this. Whenever you add the property description, on the keywords section, this is really good because search engines are actually reading this. So words like Houston, Texas, or wherever the home is located, those are some good keywords to add in there, and then it'll add it in the background. Let me see, site design. You can go here to the site design. You can add some background music, so there are a variety of options for you. And let's check it out. Here is also another place where you can select the design of your website. You can choose between different colors, different styles. The print materials, you can edit them here. Site data, we talked about that. Edit the data there. And then for the site media, whenever you star a certain photo, that means that one is one of the ones that's always going to show. So I always want to show that front picture. I always want to show this living room photo. It's gorgeous. I always want to show this formal dining. This kitchen photo is great because I can see the windows outside. If you put that eyeball, then it will not show that photo on the marketing kit, on the flyers, on all of that stuff. So make sure to play around with it. And you can, of course, include you can change the photo names. If you don't want to change the photo names, then just put hide photo names on the property site, and then you won't see the number here, 27707, Bering Cross 126. Alrighty, so I hope this was helpful. I hope you really get a kick out of this marketing kit. Show it off to your clients or your future clients whenever you're on listing presentations. Show them, hey, I will create your own property website for your home that you can share, that others can share out, because I want people with attention only on your listing. So this is a great source of marketing for your listings. I hope you use it. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions. If you're not tech savvy, I am here to help you, guiding you with every step of the process. I just want you using these resources because they are so good.